Toddlers gather bright and slow. Wave your hands, reach up high. Let's paint a rainbow in the sky.
First comes red, so bold and bright, flashing like fire in the morning light. Red like roses, red like flame. Let's swirl and dance in red's bright name.
Wave your arms in big red swirls. Jump like bouncing fire twirls. Red is strong, red is proud. Painting in the sky out loud.
Orange follows, soft and sweet, like pumpkins rolling at your feet. Orange like the setting sun, twirl around, oh what fun.
Circle your arms, let orange glow. Bounce and spin, nice and slow. Orange shines with cozy cheer, bringing smiles far and near.
Here comes yellow, bright as gold. Sunbeams laughing strong and bold. Yellow flowers, lemon pies. Yellow sparkles in our eyes.
Clap your hands for yellow rays. Jump and laugh and shout hoorays. Yellow dances on the breeze with buzzing bees and swaying trees.
Next comes green, so fresh, so cool. Whispering winds in a grassy pool. Greener trees and vines that climb, filling forests full of rhyme.
Sway your body like a tree. Bend and stretch so gracefully. Green is peace, green is play. Let's dance the green, the jungle way.
Blue is deep like oceans wide, jumping waves and splashing tide. Blue like skies where eagles fly. Blue is dreams up in the sky.
Spread your wings and soar so high. Fly like clouds that drift inside. Blue is calm, blue is bright. Splash and sail with all your might.
Purple paints the twilight air, soft and dreamy everywhere. Purple grapes and lilac seas, purple buzzing bumblebees.